Okay, again, we're answering some questions this morning on test A-2, number sense test A-2, and the first question that was emailed to me was number 33, and it says 3 hours is equal to how many seconds? And we know that there's 60 minutes per hour, and there's 60 seconds, so every hour has 3,600 seconds. There's 60 minutes per hour and there's 60 seconds per minute, so 3,600 seconds per hour. So if you multiply 3 times 3,600, that's 10,800. So just memorize 3,600 seconds per hour, and that will simplify that problem. The next question was number 35. Number 35 is asking 55,247 divided by 101, and the last two digits here will produce the answer, and that's going to be 47. And then 101 goes into 552 exactly 5 times, so the answer is 547. Number 37 is an absolute value question. Negative 7 times the absolute value of 3 minus 7 minus the absolute value of a negative 5. So you're going to have negative 4, absolute value is 4, times that would be negative 28. Negative 28 minus 5 is a negative 33. And I believe the next one is number 39. Question number 39 says if 3 is to x, as x is to 27 and x is less than 0, then the value of x equals to what? Well, the value of x is going to be a negative value. 3 times 27 is 81, x squared is 81, that's a negative 9. And that was number 39, and I believe that was the last one on the number of questions. Well, I'll include test A3 since there's a couple of more questions the students submitted on A3. Number 38 on A3 is asking if the smaller leg in a 30-60 right triangle is 13, what is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is 26 because in a 30-60, opposite 30 is a short leg. The hypotenuse is twice that, and opposite 60 is always x times square root of 3. So just memorize the ratio of x and 2x. So if this was 13, this would have to be a 26. The answer was 26. If they were asking for the long leg, the answer would have been 13 square root of 3. And there's one more question, number 41 on test A3. How do you multiply 64 times 125? 125 is 1/8 of 1,000. So if you take 1/8 of 64, that's 8 times 1,000. The answer is 8,000. Make sure you memorize 125 is 1/8, and 375 is 3/8, and your 5/8 is 625, 7/8 is 875. Memorize your 8ths as well as your 16ths and your 12ths. 1/12 is 8 1/3%, and 1/16 is 6 1/4%. 1/12 will come in handy since this year is 2012. And that's going to conclude this video.